So just to be clear, I ended up taking the tinted windows out and getting a professional round to do them. I'm just going to show you how I did it, and if anyone on YouTube can let me know what I did wrong, that'd be great. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. Sweet. Got both of the windows covered now, so I'm going to cover them in some foil. Sadly, my window stickers didn't go very well. This is the one that I put on, waited to dry, and then siliconed so that any air couldn't get in, and that's failed miserably. And the one that I didn't silicone, looks like a 4-year-old did it. So I'm going to be taking these off today, and tomorrow I've got a professional window tinter coming around to do it for 135 quid. Boom. So today I'm going to make the bed frame, and to do that I'm using some CLS. Now I'm going to make a fixed double bed, which is 135 centimeters. Typical double is 190, but I've got 180 to play with, so it's going to be 10 centimeters shorter. But let's get cracking. Built the bed frame. The bed ended up being 180 centimeters wide, so 10 centimeters shorter than a standard double. The bed is 1 meter off the ground so that we can get the bikes underneath it. Yeah. Whoop, whoop. Here I'm using some Ikea bed slats. I'm pre-drilling the holes, sticking with Evo stick, and then using some rounded head screws so it doesn't snag on the mattress. So I just thought I'd post a little update to the end of this video. So I ended up lowering the bed only because the alcoves that I made didn't serve much purpose because the bed was so high. So I lowered it down 20 centimeters. And because we really want to get the bikes in here, I've moved the central legs over. So it's got much more space here on the left-hand side. And this will be used for sort of gas and stuff like that. And when I get the gas box, I'll show you a video about how to install that. But yeah, making the bed was exactly the same as I initially showed you. I just moved it over a little bit and lowered it down. Enjoy.